guys, another video, another time, okay? My good name is Faisali and this is my YouTube channel, home of fun and good vibes. Welcome and let's enjoy this video. Guys, sorry for my voice and yep. So guys, today I have a privilege to bring you something. If you can see my back, a cool environment, something fresh. So yep, I've got this privilege to show you some guest room and si watu wako na pesa huku nje. So this is someone's guest room. Disclaimer, it's not mine. But I just felt like to shoot a video of it because it looks so nice. As you can see my background, like everything is so yep, I'm shooting for myself, so yeah, I'll just have to do it so I can do it. So let me show you how it looks and hope you enjoy it. So here is the entrance where I'm standing, and I don't know the chair, it's called an LU chair. I don't know, but have a view of it. So that is the chair. This is someone's guest room. And that is how it looks. So those are the seats. Like it occupies the whole room, and it is a blue seat. It looks so nice with some pillows, and then the room has a blue carpet with some gold and white, which rhymes with the tables. The tables are also gold and cream. It's not white actually. It's kind of creamish. It looks so nice, so nice. Look at that. Look at that. Then these are the curtains. That's the curtain. That's the full view of the curtain. Yeah, it only has that one curtain. And the curtain also looks so nice. Look at that. Look at that. It looks so nice. Then it has a wooden door. Then on the ceiling, those are the lights. Modern. I just love the ceiling. Then that chandelier way looks so nice. That chandelier, look at that. That's the light, the chandelier. Then that's the whole ceiling, other lights. This is just amazing. The curtain corner. And yep. So that's the whole view of the room. Content wewe. This room looks so amazing. Have the full view. That's the full view. Amazing.